Well, look who's here. If it isn't you guys, how the heck have you been? I know it has been quite a while, and nothing much new here. Happy, healthy, doing my thing, super duper busy at work, as I'm sure you can imagine. Those of you who also work in a hospital, you get that as well, with the mandates and the changes and all that stuff that's going on. So how's everybody? I hope you're good. Like I said, good here. Have not been getting my usual slew of subscription boxes because there really hasn't been a need. Being at home 1 to 2 times a week doesn't really offer a lot as far as getting dressed and getting out. So that's helped. It's actually helped cut down on spending. So here I am with my quarterly Stitch Fix box. I do believe I may have asked for a white Henley that isn't see-through, and I think a full faux fur jacket, but I also asked for that in my trunk, which should be here anytime as well. So let's see what we have here. I just got back from getting my booster, my COVID booster, and my regular flu shot, booster shot here. And the regular flu shot is hurting right now. And for those of you who are going to want to hassle me with some comments about the vaccine and all this kind of stuff, please don't, because I'll just get rid of that comment. Because do not attack people for their choice, whether it's pro-vaccine or pro-anti-vaccine. That's everybody's option. So don't be passing judgment and doing things like that, okay? Just shut up. Okay, all right, so here's my box. It's a pretty big box for Stitch Fix. You know, sometimes they come and they're like super thin. That's usually summer, as you know. So, all right, let's open this puppy up, see what we got. They did do a preview, and I think I kept 2 things. There was just a couple things I was like, ooh, shoes. Good for shoes. I'm always happy to get shoes, especially winter shoes. It's kind of jumbled about here. Not really sure what to do with everything. Yeah, see, it's kind of not the usual Stitch Fix box. It actually just kind of looks like everything was just tossed in this box. And maybe because a big box, it got sort of jostled. But let's see, where is my... There is no note. There is no invoice. You guys, there's nothing in here. What the heck? Let's see if it's in the shoe bag. I do not see anything. So as of right now, I have no idea what is in here, what it cost, what my stylist said, or anything, because that whole package is missing. First time that's ever happened. So let's just see what we have here. Okay, it looks like a little, oh yeah, I'm pretty sure I kept this in my box. Little black and white, ow, my shoulder is still messed up, top. Now, I'm not super sure about these. I'm not sure if you can see them. But, yeah, this is a little bit aging to me with this, I can't remember what they call it. It's sort of stacked, pleated. I don't know. Maybe I'll show you better when I get it on. But here's a little shirt. It looks like it's by Fun to Fun. I have no idea how much it is. But it is, the tag is pretty bent. It's called, I'm sorry, here's a name. It's the Fun to Fun Kearney Henley top in a size small. So maybe they're just asking us to go online and look, but I don't see anything. I haven't gotten any emails about it, so. Yeah, I don't know. All right, next up, looks like a pair of black pants. Skinny leg black pants. Really don't need any more black pants. These are by Gen 7, which are by 7 for All Mankind. These are the Bailey ankle skinny jean in a size 2. They look like nice jeans. Just really don't think I need another pair of black jeans. But there we have it. Again, I have no idea how much these are. Next up, so far it looks like the jeans could go with that. All right, and here is, I think I kept this too, another wonderful warm, thick cardigan. I do love this color. I do not, believe it or not, have a cardigan this heavy in this color. My other one in this is very lacy. It's very crocheted, so there's a lot of see-through and wind through. So this is really, really nice. Here's the back. This is the, again, Evolution by Cyrus, the Veda Black Detail Shawl Cardigan. Since there's no price here, I'm going to assume it's free. Should I try that? Hey, you guys didn't include any prices, so I guess you're just going to give this away for free. So we'll take it off. All right, next up, I don't know what this is, but it feels really cozy. This is dark gray, almost looks kind of purpley. Oh, it's a nice little boat neck. Almost has that. See, if I look there, it looks tie-dye, but here I can't see the pattern difference. So this is really kind of cool. It looks like a warm, cozy, black on black or gray on gray or dark purple on black color. Kind of hard to tell here, but yeah, that's super cozy. Okay, now it looks gray purple. All right, this is nothing. This is another tag. 9 Britain Dahlia brushed knit top in dark gray. Okay, so there's that. Kind of verklempt about that information not being in there. See how much we rely on it? Okay, next up. Clearly these are shoes. Pair of black or navy, dark navy blue. Like I said, I can't super see right now because they look kind of both. These look like Lucky. Are these Lucky shoes? Lucky brand. Okay. So again, here's a tag. Okay, these are by Diva. They're the Lovely Suede Booty in navy. These do look really nice. They're there we go, a dark navy color. They are pretty. They have a stacked heel in brown. Here's the bottom. Okay, so that's in my fix. I have no idea how much things are. These look like super wide. I'm just saying, just looking at them, they look super wide in here, but oh, maybe not. So guys, yeah, I can't believe they forgot that. I'll look under the flaps in the box as well while I'm trying these on, but kind of disappointed right now with that not being here. But as far as the box goes, it's a nice cohesive choices in here. It looks like everything could go together. Even the boots could be worn with those black pants, with the top, with the other black and white top with the cardi. So we'll get these all on. I don't even know how much things are, so I don't even know if this is a $600 box. This is a $300 box. I don't know. I'll have to check online. Okay, I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay, so like I'm looking at the box. This is the bottom. Okay, clearly this wasn't packaged well, so I'm guessing that little envelope with all my stuff in there probably slid right out the bottom here. You see that? It's like open. So I'll be emailing Stitch Fix with a picture of this and yell at them. Okay, bye. So also, when I pulled this out, this has been like clearly torn open. This was what was supposed to be around my clothes, you know, but it's clearly been ripped open right here and just kind of thrown in the box. So I'm assuming it was the shipper's fault. I don't know, but they're going to get that as well. Okay, so this is going to be a really quick try on. So I have the pants on. They are pretty high rise. They fit, oops, sorry. They fit perfectly. They're very comfortable. They're very stretchy. I do not need them is my only thing. And once again, now that we're on daylight savings, my, what do you call it? Lighting is screwed up even more. So here are the little boots. They are pretty cute. They're pretty comfortable. The right side feels a little bit wider than the left side, and that's the one that didn't have all the stuffing in it. But this one was pretty much stuffed, like this was the one that people weren't trying on. So they are really comfortable. They are a nice color. Let's see if I can get colors out here a little bit better. Right. This is black and white. Here's what I was talking about, these little pleated things here. I just always think of that style more of like, you know, the high neck, lacy button down the front here, sort of Little House on the Prairie kind of look. And it's just not me. So although I do love the color and I like the pattern, I just, you know, don't dig this part. So here is the black pants and the boots. You can see they're just a pair of regular little booties in a dark navy color. They are a great color and they are pretty comfortable. And they are pretty expensive. I was able to pull up the prices on these. I'll put the descriptions on the bottom. But the booties are $70. These pants are $99. And here is this really cute cardigan that I'm afraid I'm going to fall in love with, because this little cardigan right here is $74. So we'll see how this looks. It is, you know, perfect outfit together. You can't go wrong with this. But yep, super love the cardigan, of course. It's really cozy. It's really kind of like that stretchy, comfortable. It's got some texture in it here. And then the back, well, how long is it? Okay, it covers your butt. Then I'm going to go up a little bit here so you can see the back of this. All right, here's the back. There's the pattern on the back. I can't see where I'm going, but I think I'm in love with this cardigan. I like the color. I like the weight of it. I always say that word heft because that's what I call it. It's got some ribbing here. The thread there. There are no pockets. It is an open cardigan, so it is pretty cute. So all I have is that other little top. See how that looks. Okay, and here's that little brushed kind of tie-dye shirt. It is really cozy. It is comfortable. I think it's a little bit big, even for sort of a looser fitting sweatshirt. It just, you know, if this band was a little bit more, well, maybe it's not supposed to be, but here it is. It is definitely cozy and comfortable. And here is the color that's pretty representative of the color. It's a grayish blue, little tie-dye. And this little top is $44, okay? All right, with the pants. Okay, I'll be back again. All right, so I also just realized I don't have my return bag either. So in my opinion, what looks like what happened to this box was somebody opened it up, took out the send it back bag, took out the envelope, ripped open the wrapping that goes around the clothes, threw everything back in, crumpled up the wrapping, threw it back in there, taped it up. I guess that's what it looks like to me. I don't know who would do that, why somebody would do that, or maybe it wasn't secured well and it broke open and the guy went to grab it, or the girl went to grab it to put it back in the bag, the wrapping torn. It is completely torn open. It's not hanging on. It's not a rip. It has been completely torn open. The send back return bag is missing, like I said, and I guess the clothes are okay. I didn't see any damage on them, but just makes you think, somebody wanting that bag? I don't know. So I've taken pictures of everything and submitted it to Stitch Fix and said, y'all need to check your shipping company because, So they're going to have to send me a bag or label or something so I can put everything back in the box, but this is just unacceptable in my opinion. So let's get back to what was in there. I think the box itself was a nice box if you needed those items, but I definitely do not need another pair of black pants. And I think although they were nice pants, I don't think they're $99 pants, even though they are by 7 by All Mankind, expensive brand. The brushed tie-dye-ish top, it was okay. Didn't fall in love with it. I don't know if it was just too big or I didn't like the bottom or what, but it wasn't, I have no desire to keep it. I'm trying to remember what was in there. The booties, took the booties off, and definitely the right side, the part that goes around your ankle, definitely stretched out or wider than the other side. So I'm sure that's from somebody putting them on and off. I don't know, but they fit as far as lengthwise, but that discrepancy between the two ankle parts, I could tell it when I walked. And what else did I get? The cardigan, I think it's going to be a keeper at $74 if I keep my, I get my styling fee back. So that's $54. It's still a little bit expensive, but I think it's worth it with what I wanted, the color I wanted, and the thickness of it. And I just like it. It's not like super long. So I really like that. So that's definitely probably going to be a keeper. And then that black and white blouse, just not me. Just not me. So all in all, the box, I will say it again, not a bad fix if you're needing more items, but I pretty much do not. And then the shipping, packaging was a huge issue. Otherwise, I think it was good. I didn't total everything up. It's about 170, 80, a little over 88. I'm not going to do it in my head because I can't. 170 plus 74 plus 88. So it's a little over 300, I think. Boopy, boopy, boop, boop, boop. Can't do the math. So yeah, it's okay. I will see you guys for my trunk, which is coming pretty soon. And again, I hope everybody is doing really, really well. I hope you're healthy. Let me know. Check in with me because I know I have a couple regulars that I enjoy hearing from. I also enjoy hearing from new people. Yeah, sorry. I went off for a minute like you do. Again, if you're going to be bashing about the vaccine and stuff, I'm going to ask you not to because it'll just be removed. And you guys, I sincerely have gotten some really nasty comments. And it's okay to have an opinion, absolutely, but don't be bashing people and telling them that, we're killing babies and we're doing this and, this and this, all this negative stuff. So you're mad at me because I'm taking care of myself. And, you want to complain about, oh, you're killing babies. I'm not killing any babies. In fact, I am anti-abortion, but I understand people's choices to have that done. And this is no different. Also, not an excuse, but where I work requires that we are vaccinated. And I'm down with that. I'm super good. So just back off with your negativity. I don't mind you saying, I'm not really comfortable getting the vaccine. I respect you. I honor your choice. And I just ask for the same back from you. Okay. All right. That's all my preaching for this unboxing. I will see you guys again and hope you're doing well. Okay. Bye.